Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are in the Grab now on the way to the bus terminal going to Tagaytay. Hi, bus right now, traveling to Tagaytay. We are riding now in the tricycle on the way to picnic group, our destination. Yes, finally we're here. Ito nga pala yung entrance fee dito sa picnic group, guys. 4 years old and above is 75 pesos. So, let's go inside, guys. And ito yung bungad. Andito na yung bilihan ng lahat, guys. Pati mga souvenirs and foods na andito mabibili. Dito lang to sa bungad. Bili naman ni Chudi. Eto na nga, bumibili na agad ang aking pretty sister and auntie. Kararating pa lang. Sabi nakarating ka pa sa Tagaytay. Ito pa lang sa Manila, nakarating ka. T-shirt na ganda. Parang nga yung t-shirt mo. 150 maliit.
Hindi pwede mo na. 150 talaga?
60 daw, small. Ang ganda ng atin, maganda yung road trip pa Tagaytay. Maliit na yan, parang makakaliit. Yay, adventurous.
150 po.
Ay, 150 rin to. Ganda. And syempre, buy muna tayo ng foods bago bumaba. Let's go! Baba na tayo. Ay, meron dito zipline, guys. Look! Wow! Ayun na siya! Ang bilis! Tara, let's! Dito na tayo. Ayun yung Taal Volcano, guys. Tara, akyat tayo sa taas. Mas kita ang magandang view doon. Let's go! Wow! Ang ganda dito guys. Tingnan nyo. Ay, mas pa dito yung mas ma-appreciate mo yung view dito sa taas talaga. Look. Wow. Kitang-kita lahat, guys. Puntahan natin sa baba. Let's go! Ang ganda rin pala dito pag padilim na, oh. Wow. Ganda.
Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. And my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes.
Dami ng dragon fruit.
And I keep you in my heart. And my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Baby, I can't take it on my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah. Call me when you want. Baby, I can't take it on my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ginabi na kami, guys.
Let's go. Huli na kayo.
Wala na, dito lang napuntahan namin kasi alanganin na ang oras nung dumating kami eh. Tapos balik din kami ng Maynila.
Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. And my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart.
Palabas na kami.
Is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming.
Ay wait, bibili pa pala kami ng souvenirs sa t-shirt. Hindi kami nakabili kanina. Sila, auntie lang nakabili. shopping sa ukay-ukay. UK, UK.
Kami guys, naghanap kami ng bulalo. Bulalo. Anong nahanap mo? Bulalo. Bulalo. Sige mo, bulalo. Bulalo. Lumi yun, lumi. Wait lang. Thank you. Okay guys. Hahanap din kami ng bulalo. Ang hinahanap namin bulalo nandito na. Oh, nagagawan na. Bulalo. Ay, higap na higap no. Aming ano, tiyaring maganda. It's colorful. Extra. Our dearest Emily. Next time to taste the sabaw. Ganda pa rin yan. Ay, mga eh. Sarap. Kumusta ang bulalo ng Tagaytay? Naim, sarap. Sobrang lambot. Sobrang lambot.
Tapos na kami mag-dinner. Thanks God. Uuwi na kami.
Ulan na guys. Ulan na, oh my God. Inabot na kami ng ulan. Ulan. Inabot na kami ng ulan.
Naku, Naku, buti nilang may bus na agad. Bye for now, guys. See you in the next video.